happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. We do have breaking news on the Jordan 17 Lightning Low. They won't be dropping on sneakers. So how can you obtain these? This is at high dollar, $300 price point. It's going to be a very limited shoe. And they're only going to be dropping on Jordan NBHD account. So what does that mean? NBHD basically means they'll only be available at independent sneaker boutiques. So expect these to be backdoored heavily. They won't be coming out on Nike.com or Sneakers app. So the time of release was still going to be May 30th with the price point of $300. As for me, I won't be going for these because I do not like the colorway, that yellow. It does kind of look like a Steelers, that black, white, and yellow pair of shoes. Let me know what you think about these, Sneakerheads. What do you think about these, my brother?
Hey, they all right, but I mean they rocking my Steeler colors, so
Yes,
hey,
sir.
those be rocking those.
Yeah, just that price point, $300, is pretty steep for me paying retail. And to me, the best thing about that is, that briefcase. You can probably find the briefcase on sale on eBay. So that's the only thing I would really want. As far as the shoe, they can have that. Let us know down in the comments what you think about these. Moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from 5 May to 11 May. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on that week, we only had one shoe drop. That was that Jordan 1 Low OG Shadow. That shoe was dropped on the 11th. Price point for those were $140. According to Nike.com, sizes 7 through 14 are still available for those that do wear those sizes. Drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch them up. But that's all we have for the week.
Yes, sir. Hey,
Yes, sir.
and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.